Hello and welcome to an Oregon State University picosatellites project video tutorial. My name is Anthony and today I'm going to be showing you how to use APRS.FI and Google Earth for APRS tracking. APRS.FI takes APRS information that has been gated to an internet server and displays that information on a Google Maps overlay. As seen here, you're seeing what is currently being shown for Corvallis. You'll notice that there are set stations as well as paths. The paths are based on the points that have been generated and connected via straight line. You have options to adjust how long to display information from, and that will affect the paths and the points that show up. You can also track call signs and locate an address or a city. Using the track call sign box here, you can pick a call sign that you want to track specifically and center that on the screen, such as W7OSU-2. Once you hit search, it will locate the last known point and path from that particular call. If you notice here, the last time W7OSU-2 was used was on the Oregon State University picosatellites project's balloon launch, and its track is shown here. Notice that you can show all, and that will display all other points along with the route picked, or the call sign picked. Also notice that when you select a point, you get information about that point or path, such as the range of time from that the points were picked, its velocity and altitude data, as well as its message and the transmit path that it took to get to the internet. The other option when you're tracking a call sign is to clear the track. This way, it'll reset the display without that call sign, which allows you to ignore points that come up outside of the predefined time frame. Also of particularly useful importance is the Google Earth Kml here. If you use this and click on that link, it'll generate a Google Earth Kml file and have you download it, which will then, once in Google Earth, allow you to track the points in Google Earth. Again, this will use the settings defined above. So the time or show last time frame, as well as any track call signs. So once you've selected the settings that you want to track and then download the Google Earth Kml, you then open that with Google Earth. Once you've opened it with Google Earth, you should see something similar to this. You'll notice that if you selected a call sign to track, that you'll probably end up with only that call sign. An example here is of that same balloon path that we're showing on the APRS.FI website. You can actually see the altitude in the Google Earth view. Also, another example of that is an aircraft that has been using APRS here. Currently, I have several call signs being tracked, along with an all target in view. The all target in view is essentially tracking all points that are current based on the last 24 hours. Once you open the KML file with Google Earth, it'll show up under temporary places. If you wish to keep it into Google Earth, simply move it under My Places. You can put it under folders and whatnot. The information here shows up in as real time as the information on the website. So, this has been how to track APRS data using the APRS.FI website along with Google Earth. This has been another Oregon State University picosatellites project video tutorial. My name is Anthony, and I hope that this video has been helpful. Have a nice day.